Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn about how to multiply any two numbers between 10 to 20, like 12 into 11, 13 into 15, 18 into 16, 19 into 17, 14 into 15, 13 into 11. Like that, if you want to multiply any two numbers between 10 to 20, how to multiply those two numbers with easy calculation, I will explain you in this video. Please watch this video till the end. Let us take one example, 13 into 12. When you want to multiply these two numbers 13 into 12, what actually we do? 13 into 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. 156 is the multiplication result of 13 into 2. This is the procedure what actually you do when you want to multiply any two numbers. But I will explain the one method. With that method you can easily calculate. The first step of this method is consider the larger number. Now add the larger number to the smaller number last digit. Here the larger number is 13. 13 plus smaller number last digit 2. 13 plus 2 15. Now add 0 to the 15. 150. The next step is multiply the last two digits of both two numbers. Here the last two digits of 13 and 12 are 3 and 2. Multiply those two, 3 and 2, 3 2s are 6. 156 is the multiplication result of 13 into 12. Hence we got the same answer in both two cases, 156. But instead of calculating this much of calculation, you can easily calculate any two numbers between 10 to 20 with this method. Let us take one more example. Multiply 19 into 17 with using the method. The first step of this method is consider the larger number and add larger number to the smaller number last digit. Here the larger number is 19 and the smaller number last digit is 7. 19 plus 7, 26. Keep 0. Now multiply last two digits of both two numbers. 9 7s are 63. 6 plus 6, 12. 2 plus 1, 3. 323 is the multiplication result of 19 into 17. Let us check with the normal multiplication whether we got the same answer or not. 9 7s are 63. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 1 9s are 9. 1 1s are 1. 9 plus 3, 12. 323. Hence we got the same answer in both two cases, 323. I hope this method is very helpful to you when you want to multiply any two numbers between 10 to 20. With this method you can easily calculate by seeing the question. Let us see few examples. Here the number is 17 into 13. The larger number is 17. Add 3 to the larger number. 17 plus 3, 20. Keep 0. Multiply last two digits, 7 3s are 21. 221 is the multiplication result of 17 into 13. The next example, 18 into 14. Add 18 plus 4, 22. Keep 0. Multiply last two digits, 18 into 18 to 4. 8 4s are 32. 252 is the multiplication result of 18 into 14. The next example, 15 into 12. 15 plus 2, 17, keep 0, 5 2s are 10, 180 is the multiplication result of 15 into 12. I hope this method is very helpful to you. You can easily calculate with this method any two numbers between 10 to 20. I hope you understood this concept. If you understand this video, please like it. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.